Are you ready to unlock the power of streamlined business operations with EngageBay, the all-in-one platform that's revolutionizing how businesses connect with their customers? Let's dive in. First, let's navigate the EngageBay Dashboard. Notice the key modules across the top: marketing, sales, and service. These are your command centers for different aspects of your business. Click on the marketing module here. You'll find tools to create stunning email campaigns, automate your marketing efforts with workflows, and track your campaign performance. To send an email, click Email Marketing, then Campaigns, then New Email. Choose a template, customize the content, and schedule your send. It's that easy. Now, let's head over to the Sales module. This is where you manage your contacts, deals, and sales pipeline. Click Contacts to see and manage your existing contacts. Click on a contact to see all their details. To track a potential sale, utilize the Deals section. Create a new deal, assign it to a contact, and move it through your sales pipeline stages like qualify, proposal sent, negotiation, and won or lost. This allows you to easily visualize and manage your sales process. Finally, let's explore the Service module. Here, you can manage customer support tickets, create knowledge base articles, and provide exceptional customer service. Click Tickets to view incoming support requests, assign tickets to agents, and resolve customer issues efficiently. And that's a quick overview of EngageBay. By using its comprehensive features, you can automate tasks, nurture leads, close deals, and deliver outstanding customer support all in one place. Start exploring today and elevate your business.